Tara here, nice of you to join me. I have a walkthrough for you today, and this one is the result of taking a online workshop, a Facebook Live workshop, a paid workshop by this absolutely fantastic artist called Dorota, and I'm hoping I've said her name wrong. I will put all the links down below in the description box for you to please go and check her out. She's fantastic, she really is. I had the workshop and the kits, and to try to see what they are, and the kits are fantastic. You get so much in the kit, it's unbelievable. You get as many paints. There are these Pentart paints. In this particular kit was the Pentart. So I got this 20ml paint, but not just this. It was enough to all the different colours that I would need to do this particular book. So there was lots. There's lace. There's the resin pieces, chipboard pieces, flowers. All the Stamperia papers that you would need for it. We had cheesecloth, there was string, there was, as I say, these flowers here, lots and lots of chipboard pieces, as I said, resin pieces as well. So yes, you got everything. So and this one also had a spray with it as well, and I've probably not even used a quarter of the bottle on this, so you know it is really good value for money. So again, her name is her artistic name is Art Dorota, and I'm hoping I've got that right. Please apologise if I I haven't pronounced it right. So this is my front cover, and the album, we got the album with this one as well, so it was just a plain album. So yes, so we had the album, and this album is canvas covered as well, so it's really good for mixed media and things like that. So that was my cover that I did. This was a chipboard piece, and it came. I want to show you let me just get a chipboard. It's not chipboard, a resin piece. Okay, so this was a resin piece here, and that was the colour it comes to you as. So you can obviously see the difference, all the different techniques that she shows you how to do to make this look worn. And as you can see there, it is quite a substantial piece as well, but it's very lightweight. So that was my front cover with all the flowers and things then that I put on. And then the side, we stenciled on there as well. And then we'll see on the back, it's just very plain, a watercolour-y effect. But she goes through again how to do all the different techniques. So we open up to page 1, and again this is the beautiful papers. This is a Sleeping Beauty paper from Stamperia, and it's fantastic, it's beautiful, it really is. So oh, and this one you also get the watercolour paper as well. The only things you didn't get was the stamps, so and the ink. So those, we've all got stamps and inks in our stash. So so that was one of the little tags that goes in that little pocket there. And then this side here, open up, and we've got another one on that page. So that was page 1, and then page 2. And in these albums as well, you have got space in here to put extra photo mats in. I haven't done that as yet, but I will do, I think. So that's the second page. Again, we've used these little chipboard elements here, a few flowers and some of the lace on there, and again on this side it's very mixed media, very shabby chic. It's just beautiful. I can't I think I've even forgotten some of the bits of things that you got in the kit as well. I think there was also some glitter in there as well here. So yes, it's very good value for money. So this is the next page, again using the cut apart from the paper, some chipboard elements there. These are my stamps here, and then just a watercolour technique. Again, another flip open there, and that's obviously just placed just nice for photographs and things. And again, these pages were very much similar to each other, but it was over 2 days, so it was quite a long, there's quite a lot of techniques in the class. So I don't want to go too much into the techniques because that's what Dorota will do, but I just wanted to show you how beautiful it was because I'm so pleased with it. I really didn't think I would be able to make it, but I am really pleased with the result. And again, that was just another flip up there. So you've got lots of spaces here to put some photographs if you want to use this for your photographs and things. And because it is a really lovely, lovely muted pastel-y paper, it's very dreamy paper. Well, I suppose Sleeping Beauty is like a bit of a love story. So yes, that's what I sort of get. It's a bit romancy type colours. So again, more of the chipboard pieces that you get in there. There's so many chipboard pieces. It's unbelievable. Again here, there's a rose here. There's one of the chipboard pieces. I've just cut this out here and added some lace and bits on there. And again, another flip book. Oh, and also in with this, which I forgot, you even got some micro beads and some big chunky glitter as well. So that was that page. And then open out. We've got another more space for your photos. Now this is a 6-page album. So there's 14 pages all in total to actually decorate. So yeah, it's a lovely, well made album. So you open it out there, and then this is the back page, and it's exactly the same as the front, where it's just got a slip pocket in there. And then we just come to the back and the side. Oops, do you know what? I thought that was a spider. With some ribbon as well. You've got the ribbon as well. I forgot that. You've got ribbon as well in with that, and a stencil. So there's lots and lots of things in there that I probably even forgot to mention that were in there. But so that's my Sleeping Beauty mixed media type album that I made doing an online class with Art Dorota. Please go and check her out, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll put all the links in the description box down below. So until the next time, I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.